How's it going, fellow traders? Magic Trader here, and this is the CFTC report for the data that was collected on January 26, 2021. So we're having some big moves in the markets today, and once again, the Arujo report has been instrumental in being able to forecast these moves before they took place. So we're going to take a look now at the latest set of data that was recorded and released this past Friday. And what we can see here is as price was rallying up, they increased their longs. That's the banks, the institutions, the ones that control the markets. They increased them from 307 to 313, which is to be expected with the move up. But overall, we know that all this structure has been a bunch of profit taking. That's all that's really been taking place here with gold, is just profit taking on long positions. And so, as I've mentioned numerous times, we don't want to be buying gold when the institutions are focused on taking profits, and that's why we have not been buying any gold at this point. We have interest to do so, but now is not the time where we would like to start doing that. Next, we have oil. And what do we see? Oil is moving higher, just as we have forecasted for a long time now. I mean, when price was down in the 20s, we forecasted a move up like this, and that is exactly what happened. If you remember, when price hit the supply, we said that it was going to have a slight drop to the downside and then a continuation to the upside, and this is indeed what is taking place now. Now, on the latest set of data, what do we see? They increased their longs from 664 to 676 as price was consolidating. They were adding longs, but they're also starting to add shorts to an aggressive area or territory, from 156, which was cooled off, to now 171, which is slightly aggressive. I want you to pay particular attention to that because we do see price turning over and heading lower in the near future. So far we're starting to see evidence that that just might be what the institutions are preparing for. Now we look at the dollar, and we're getting the rally that we expected. Why? Because price contacted this area of demand. And with the data, we're not seeing much here. They took off some longs, and they also increased some shorts from 29 to 30,000, but that was as price was dropping here. So the coloration is still red. Okay, what does that tell us? Well, it tells us that they are bearish. So regardless of what you see right now with the markets rallying, which is what we were expecting, I still want you to focus on the fact that they are bearish, overall bearish. Okay, look at the coloration of the cells here. Okay, they're neutral with long positions, and they are aggressive with short positions. So this rally is not something that we are expecting to last very long. All right, there's going to be a turnover, and we'll detail that in the Arujo report and in the community. All right, so the Aussie is turning over to the downside because we had supply in play, and long positions were closed off as price was up here. Good, they closed long positions for profits. Great idea. Okay, great idea. Now I want you to see here the coloration has been somewhat bluish, and now it's turning into 50-50, a tinge of redness. Okay, a tinge of redness. And that's good because we are expecting some downside to take place. If we look here, they were bearish. They turned a little bit bullish at the highs, and now we should start to see a bigger decline in price and more bearishness pick up in the sentiment. Now we got the US CAD. US CAD is rallying just as we had forecasted. And we take a look here. Okay, same thing. What do we see here? Price is rallying, but shorts are aggressive. Pay attention to that, okay? Because they are starting to accumulate a strong short position. Remember, all time is 105, maximum size position. They're at 53. They're still low, all right? Remember back here, they were bullish, and now they are turning bearish as price is rallying. So you may be thinking to yourself, why is it bearish when price is rallying? Well, if you understand how the institutions get into positions, this makes perfect sense why they are doing what they're doing. And we've detailed this in the community, as well as all the lessons that we have and all the content that we have inside the library. So if you want to learn more, you need to become a member, and you'll have access to all the information. Take a look at the coloration, turning red, bearish, good sign for a continued move lower. We are expecting that, and we will be updating the journals to let you know exactly where we think those turning points are. Next we have the US Swiss franc. We're seeing a move up here in price as we had forecasted once again. Same thing, I want you to focus on the fact that they remain bearish. Longs are cooled off, shorts are aggressive. We are expecting more downside in the near future. Now we got the euro. Euro is dropping just as, again, we had forecasted. And we are expecting more of a move to the downside. And just like with the other pairs, I want you to focus on the fact that longs are aggressive and shorts are somewhat cooled off. So why is price dropping if shorts are cooled off? Well, they are preparing for something big. And again, we will detail that in the Arujo report and in the forum in the school. The Sherlock system is very specific on what it expects. It is expecting a move to the downside, which is taking place now. And when the signal is produced, we will notify members and students of the long signal, and then we will get in long on this pair. Pound US dollar, we're also seeing a drop here on the pound, which was forecasted. Longs are aggressive, shorts are cooled off. Even though they increased shorts from 32 to 39, that helps to facilitate the move downwards that they were preparing for, and that is what's taking place now. Bottom line, look at the coloration. Neutral to bullish. Okay? Want to point that out. Eventually this will go higher, and we'll wait for the signal to be produced, and then we'll notify students and members of when that takes place. US dollar Japanese yen is also seeing an increase, which is what we've been predicting. And look, longs are cooled off, shorts remain aggressive, and the coloration of the cells is the institutions are clearly bearish, even with this rally. So be ready, because there will be a turn to the downside. Kiwi dollar, we see price moved up, paused, now it's dropping. Why? Because we hit supply. The Sherlock system had forecasted this as well, but remember, they are aggressive. They took profits on longs, and they have started to build it up again. Look, shorts are not doing much of anything. Take a look at the coloration of the cells here. They are bullish. Net positions, they are bullish. So be very aware of that. All right, ladies and gents, that's your CFTC report for the data that was recorded January 26, 2021. If you need more information or want to become a member, you can get information at www.whiteoakfx.com. Hope you join, hope to see you in class, and we'll see you later. Take care.